This segment is brought to you by locally owned Nissan, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram in Kingsville.
The Bishop High School Drumline has recently gained a new fan base. The ensemble has garnered much attention for their performances during the third quarter of football games.
What's really neat is that they have drumline battles, which basically are ambassadors from each school, and usually the kids meet up and they share their talent. So this goes on pretty much all the time, but there's people who've viewed it and there's people who have never seen a drum battle. So for it to come online the way it did and people to see this and have all the positive comments, it's really wonderful. But then people get now an idea of what goes on. But there's still more, like I said, they're ambassadors, sharing musical ideas and helping themselves grow with different techniques. So they prepare, and this is really awesome.
The music ensemble has been on the rise for the past few years. With the help of percussion instructor Daniel Lopez, the drumline has become a crowd pleaser at football games.
My intentions going into this were to hopefully just build the drumline back up to what it was, because we did lose a lot of senior members this past year, and to get our name out there, we get taken seriously, and to get a win, they're a competition, you know? I mean, that's what we always strive for, is to get a win.
The drumline has learned 15 new songs in addition to their marching band music. The group also choreographs visuals to go along with their performances. For more on this story, visit KingsvilleRecord.com.